Hey guys, Tyler here, your Puzzle Master Insider, and today I'll be giving you an inside look at this UGEARS treasure box. I'll be building it start to finish. These models would make a great industrial arts-like project for any parents to do at home with their children, or for any adult to do at home on their own. My wife likes to do these after a long hard day at work to relax at home. Okay, so let's open this box up. First I wanted to start though with showing you a bit on the back here. It's got a parts number down here you can see. So this one actually has 190 parts in it. And I figure it'll take about 2.5 hours to do. You guys obviously won't be seeing that in real time. But let's open it up and see what all is inside this box. So you can see that there are 6 boards in here, and these pieces all punch out. I also have a couple tools here that I got. I got a candle, which they recommend for waxing up some of the moving parts. Got an X-Acto knife for cutting out some of the pieces, and a punch here with also a file part where you can file off some of the edges on the punch outs. So I'm just going to open up the box here, and we'll see what all is inside. Okay, so like I said, there's the 6 boards and a good instruction manual here, and it's got instructions throughout, and it gives you a bit of an idea of what all you need to do. So I'm going to jump in and we'll see what this project looks like at the end. Okay, so that was the sped up version of the construction of this UGEARS box. My goodness, that took about 2.5 hours. Lots of fun though, very cool. I am very impressed with how this works and just the gears, the mechanism inside. Really well built. Cool thing is as you're building it too, they even give you extra pieces of some of the more breakable pieces, like these little things that hold the screws or nails almost that hold everything together. This outside flexible stuff there. They just give you a whole bunch of extra pieces. Very awesome. But here I'll show you really quickly how it works. So the key is in the top here, and you can't actually pull it out to start, and the whole box is actually locked. So what you got to do is you got to turn this top piece, which opens that mechanism, releasing the key, but it's still locked. So to unlock it, you got to turn it to clockwise, just like quarter turn kind of, and then you pull the key out, close that top back up, and then flip it around to this mechanism here on the front, and that key fits into that mechanism, and then you turn the key around and it opens up the top, and you can see there's actually quite a bit of room in there, kind of like a Rubik's cube type size, like a 3x3 cube. So something really neat. And yeah, so then what you do is you close that, and just the mechanism feels good. It's awesome. And then you pull that key out after closing it. You'll turn that back open, put that key inside, and then remember to lock it again, because if you don't lock it, actually this top won't close properly. So you have to have it in the lock position, and then close that top, and you're all done. And that's the UGEARS treasure box. The UGEARS treasure box, along with many other UGEARS models, are available at puzzlemaster.ca, and you will find links to both in the description below. That wraps up today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the Puzzle Master YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a very puzzling week.